Top 5 Coding Websites. Top 5 Coding Website Shorts. As an AI language model, I assume you are looking for a list of the top 5 coding websites that offer short, bite-sized coding tutorials or challenges. Here are some popular options. Codecademy. Codecademy offers interactive coding lessons for a variety of programming languages. Their lessons are designed to be short and focused, so you can learn new coding concepts quickly. HackerRank. HackerRank is a website that offers coding challenges and contests for programmers. These challenges are designed to be short and can be completed in just a few minutes, making them perfect for practicing your coding skills on the go. LeetCode. LeetCode is another website that offers short coding challenges to help you improve your skills. They offer challenges in a variety of difficulty levels and for a range of programming languages. FreeCodeCamp. FreeCodeCamp offers short tutorials and coding challenges for beginners to advanced programmers.